So this is gonna be my last video of 2019 and the last video of the decade if I even finish editing it by today, because today is New Year's Eve 2019. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna start start doing 3x3 solves until I get a sub 10, so that my last solve of the decade will be a sub 10. So right now it's 7:55 and I think I'm gonna start right now or in a few minutes. Okay, so I haven't started my solves yet. It's 9:03, and I'm going to start right now. Almost. 10:93. Oh man, 1071. That would have been a sub 10 if I had not gotten an end perm. Okay, I'm gonna take a little break and do some solves off camera, because I don't know if I just want to like subconsciously want to get in frame or something that's like messing me up, but I've noticed that's happened before. So I'm just gonna do this one and I'll take a break. So I just got a 958, like a few solves after, like maybe 10 or 20 solves after I stopped filming. That was my 60th solve of the day, and it's 9:38, so that took me like just over half an hour. And now I'm just not going to do any more solves for the rest of the day, and this is my last solve of the decade. So yeah, I succeeded in this challenge. I finally got a sub 10 after 60 solves only, and I was kind of expecting to get it fairly quickly, like before 100 solves, because that's usually on average how often I do sub 10 solves, like one in every 100. And yesterday I got like a ton of sub 10s. I got like 8 in like 300 solves. So I'm glad I got it this quickly, because I wasn't like doing as well today as I was doing yesterday. And yeah, that's my last video of this year, but I am uploading a video tomorrow on New Year's Day, which you can check out right here once it uploads, and I'll see you in my next video.